You've got all those pictures in your Photos app. But how do you organize it? And how do you get it from your Photos app to your computer? What's going on, everyone? My name is Matthew, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll go over how to put your pictures into albums and how to export them out of the app. Let's dive in. Alright, so here we are in the Photos app on my desktop. I have several photos here in my Recents tab which we'll use in this example, but you can use any of these depending on which photos you want to use. The first thing we'll do is click on the plus sign next to my albums and click Album. We'll now give our new album a title, SoCal Pics. Additionally, you can move the photos around to your desired order by dragging individual pictures from one spot to another. In a moment, I'll get into why this step is important, but for now, I like what I see here, so I'll keep it as is. Next up is exporting these pictures. To do that, we'll go to File, Export, and Export 13 Photos. Now, we have a box where we can change some settings. You can change the file type, the quality level, the color profile, and the size. You can also make adjustments to the file naming should you so choose. In this example, I will make one adjustment in this section. We're going to go to File Name and click on Sequential. Choosing Sequential will preserve the photo order you create. Depending on your project, such as picture gathering for a photo montage as an example, keeping your pictures in a particular order is critical. So do not forget this step if preserving an order is necessary. Now, click on Export, and we'll be redirected to your desktop or downloads folder. At this stage, I would recommend clicking on New Folder here on the bottom left. Give that folder the same title as your previously made album. Afterwards, click on Export, and you're all set to go. On the top left of the Photos app, you'll see a small circle indicating the progress of your exports. When the circle fills, the export is complete. And that's it. You've exported all your photos, and you're free to do with them what you will. If you like this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload a video. Thanks so much everyone for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.